Hi, I'm Mackenzie, educator at Moor, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Moor Spa peel-off mask, a 100% natural source rubberizing mask that's wonderful for skin purification. First, we're going to cleanse the face. Here I'm using cleansing foam because Roz's skin can tend to be reactive. It's a go-to for almost any skin type because it's so gentle. We're removing the cleanser with a warm towel. We've exfoliated the skin using facial polish and applied rescue serum since Roz would like to treat her skin's sensitivity and dryness. You can choose any of Moor Spa's 7 serums to target your client's skin concerns. The peel-off mask is formulated to seal in moisture as it sets, so it's going to improve penetration of whichever serum you choose. Now I'm mixing the peel-off mask just before application. Pour 1 sachet of the mask powder into a small bowl. While stirring, add the vial of more water until you reach a smooth pancake batter consistency. I used about 3/4 of the vial. Once the mask is mixed, it will start to set, so begin your application right away. Leaving a smooth, thicker edge will make the removal of the mask easier, just like when you're applying hard wax. You'll be leaving the mask on for about 10 minutes, so I like to use this time to offer a neck, shoulder, and scalp massage with tension balm, or a hand and arm massage with body lotion or hand cream. When it's time to remove the mask, lift the mask slowly from the chin. With some practice, you can achieve that satisfying removal in one piece. If not, don't worry, your client is probably in total bliss after their scalp massage. Use a warm towel to remove any remaining mask. I'm finishing with hydrating cream and eye-zone cream to enhance all of the hydration we've created with the mask. For more education, we'd welcome you to follow us and to visit our learning center at lemoor.com. Thanks for watching.